Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe. Discover the differences between LG and Blue Star air conditioners in this video. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived, choose us for quality and value. Life was tough without the cool breeze, until introducing the revolutionary AC that changed everything. Stay tuned to discover the magic of comfort. This is one of the best air conditioner brands out there. LG air conditioner, it's our top choice for keeping things cool and comfortable. And the Blue Star air conditioner a close second. Stay refreshed with the best in the market. Explore the shared excellence of LG and Blue Star air conditioners. Both feature eco-friendly R32 refrigerant, power-saving 3-star AC, and convenient sleep mode with timer control. Experience top-tier split inverter technology, durable copper coil condenser, and anti-dust filtration for pure air. As online bestsellers, they come with anti-corrosive coating, a glimpse into the future with the 2023 model AC, and versatile horizontal and vertical swing options. Both LG and Blue Star have a 1.5-ton capacity. LG provides 4,400 watts of cooling, while Blue Star offers 5,010 watts. LG uses 5-in-1 cooling technology, Blue Star uses 5-in-1 convertible. LG's fast cooling option is Virat mode, Blue Star offers turbo mode. Both can cool efficiently up to 52 degrees Celsius. LG boasts excellent advanced technology features, Blue Stars are considered good. LG operates quietly at 26 decibels, Blue Star at 32 decibels. Both have stabilizer-free options. LG's spare parts cost is low, Blue Star's is high. LG's special feature is dual inverter, Blue Star emphasizes super quiet operation. Annual consumption for LG is 852 units, Blue Star is 1007 units. LG was founded in 1968, Blue Star in 1983. LG is made in Korea, Blue Star is made in India. LG's service availability is excellent, Blue Star's is average. LG's compressor quality is excellent, Blue Star's is good. LG's evaporator quality is good, Blue Star's is average. LG's build quality is excellent, Blue Star's is good. LG's built material is ABS plastic, Blue Star uses plastic. General AC warranty for both LG and Blue Star is 1 year. PCB warranty for both LG and Blue Star is 5 years. Compressor warranty for both LG and Blue Star is 10 years. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. LG has a strong 4.5 star rating, and Blue Star holds a good 4 stars. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Let me see what are the items included in the box. One indoor unit, one outdoor unit, one remote, and user manual available in the AC package. If you want to buy an AC that is available in many places, good customer service, cools well, best price. Recommended that you choose these two brands. They are the best for using at home. Important note, if your AC to have a long life, it is important to maintain and install it properly. The performance of an AC may vary depending on its specific model and series. The quality of service and installation may vary depending on the location. How much you use it affects how well it works. Make sure the electricity is just right for it to work properly. Check it carefully before setting it up. Let me see the frequently asked questions for AC. Does the power bill affect the selection between a 3-star or 5-star AC? What do the terms 3-star and 5-star mean in relation to AC? How to select AC capacity? Where should AC be installed? Which tonnage to choose between 1 ton, 1.5 ton or 2 ton AC unit? Do AC experience gas leakage problem? How can I select an AC that is less likely to experience gas leakage issues? Is a stabilizer required for the AC to function properly? Kindly see the answers in the description box. Click link below.
Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.